Good morning, y'all. We got more snow. We asked for it and it came, so we have lots of it. You'll be seeing later, we're going to have to try and break out some trails before we can even groom them, but if you're just joining me, I'm Little Griff. I'm Don. I'm 100% off grid. Been northern Canada, northern Alberta, and you're just going to follow a little bit of my life off grid, how I do it, how I do things, different ways that I get by. I've been working on the cabin. I still got some work. I've been building on a porch. Those of you that are following me probably wondering if I finished it without you. I haven't. I still got work to do on the porch. Oh, my ginger come to visit. So we're going to get on with the video. I got some reviews to do. I know some people don't like reviews, but I try not to do just a review. I try to fill it in with my other videos, but if you get a review, you get a review, and then some of them are, I mean, it's just, the only thing that I review are things, you can look at the reviews as things that I myself would use off-grid to help me out, whether, you know, whatever it is. If it doesn't relate to off-grid or my use cutting firewood and that kind of thing, fishing, doesn't relate to my channel, then I'm sorry guys, but thanks for asking, but I don't do reviews on that stuff unless it is something that actually is used by me and will work for me, and I can go back to the toolbox and get it time and time again and use it. So, but thank you all for watching, coming along, and we're going to get out on the trails. Pretty clear skies today. The sun is way over yonder. So this is what the 20th of December does. The sun doesn't really come up too much above the trees. It just kind of shines through the trees. Oh, and if, for those of you that are asking or are new here, you'll get back over the videos, you'll see my cabin. This is not my cabin. This is my first building that I did bring onto the homestead. And I've slowly built more since then. But just let you know that this old building is, it was insulated with straw. Used it for my pigs when I had the pigs in. First few years here, just got to be too much, and the price of grain hard to justify keeping pigs right now, and I'm so busy. So we'll go play with other things, cutting firewood and all kinds of things like that. Some builds to do, little mechanic work to do. In summertime, we'll be trying to get out on some little road trips, do some fishing, that kind of thing. And if you like to jump back through the channel, you'll see some of the fishing and road trips and stuff like that that I've done, building I've done over the last 3 years since I started sharing with you guys. So hope you all enjoy it. Well, got some big ones. Yeah. Yes, there's another tree over the trail. Oh, we can get this out of here. Oh, we've got to carry straps and whatnot with you. Just trying to push through a little more of my trail out here. You see I was in. Battery gets cold, camera shuts off. I carry extra battery. So that's where my trail goes through here, around that way, back. It also goes that way. We're going to go that way today, back through. And more dry trees. Them ones right there. So we'll try and keep you warm. We're going to get on through here. it's going to start getting dark. But I just take a run quickly over to the neighbors for coffee. I got no headlight on the Skidoo, so I can't stay too late. But we opened the trails up pretty good, but the snow is still coming hard. So if we do get 8 inches like they say or more, we might have to pack the trails down again before we get out and drag them. She's pretty tough dragging, but I got the head bolt in on the Skidoo. The old Tundra, she's running pretty good. I figured I'd just put the drag behind it, put it to the test, see if I had to walk or not. But she's holding up, so we'll enjoy you guys' day, and we'll catch you a little later. Miss Ginger, do you like that snow? Hey, yeah. Well, I got the snow I wanted. I got a lot of shoveling to do, and a little snow blowing. That boy, the shovel up just to clean the doorsteps off and pile her up. So, not sure I'll get out of the yard with the car today. We'll have to get her cleaned up. We got a generator running. Snow is still falling. Got about 8 inches in the last 24 hours. 9 inches maybe. And more on the way, so we're just in the snowmageddon. Got a little cleanup done here in front, but I don't think I'll get the car out of the yard. I'll see. It's all-wheel drive. Might have to give her, but I got a turnaround spot here that I can turn around and get going the right direction. So she's piling up. Gotta love it. Winter looks a little different now after a lot of prayers for snow. We got it. I don't think I'll get my car out of the yard. Them snowbanks right straight ahead of us there are about 18 to 20 inches high. A little less over there. But we got about a foot of snow over 4 days, so I already had 6-7 inches on the ground. So I'm going to try and bust the trail out with a Skidoo, and hopefully I can drag the snow down a bit and get out. So it's 22 below Celsius, but I have a cover that I use actually for this Skidoo, but I did put my plywood on here, but I think this yeah, look at it doesn't look very much of a pile there, but that's piled up pretty high. See all the trenches around. I had the Skidoo out and moved it around and tried to shovel up, clean up in front of the shop. So I'm gonna just try and give her. Oh. That's cold. You gotta just pump the primer a little. There's no choke on these. That's real Bravo. But, I'll leave the cover on it for a few minutes, let it warm up. grader came up yesterday while it was still snowing and plowed this far, but he didn't come in because I didn't have a flag, so got a snowbank there that he kind of left behind. I got to try and push through. Well, I made a few trips back and forth. Knocked the snow down so I don't fill my motor up too bad. So I'm going to try and get out of the garage, get turned around right in front of the garage and shoot my way out if I can. There's traction control on. Oh. It's pretty deep. Tracks. Oh, I think we'll make her dragging bottom pretty hard. Big snowbank here. Oh yeah, we made her through. Can't really pick up how deep those tracks are, but I skidooed and drug trail here because I'm not sure. We got sun on the panels. Gotta enjoy that. But it's only going to last for about 2 hours. This is the first real sunny day we've had, and we get about maybe 3 hours, and see, it's behind the trees down here. You wouldn't get any sun at all. So we're just about a couple more days will be the shortest day, and the days are going to start getting longer. And I still got a pretty good supply of wood. It's too cold, minus 32 this morning Celsius. Too cold to get out and do anything with the sled. I have a big enough stockpile ahead. I don't have to go cut wood when it's cold. That's why I cut wood when it's warm, cut wood in the winter so I can use a skidoo, get it out a little at a time, not as hard on the back, just cutting a little load at a time instead of going out and cutting a great big load. And so that's what I do. I just enjoy that. Enjoy that sunshine, enjoy the fresh air, and we'll get back out. But I have enough wood put up ahead that I'm good for quite a while. So if you jump back through my videos, if you're just catching up with me, you'll see across the yard over there, and across the yard over there, and across the yard over there. I've got piles of wood. Some of it's curing because it was green, and it's curing. Some of it's, most of it's ready to use actually, but we dip into those piles when we have to. Otherwise, we just get out, get some fresh air, and get some more. So. Our daytime high, minus 29. We gotta get back, fill the bird feeder up again. Guys, just preparing for another cold snap we have coming. I'm in the shop here, just bringing a sleigh load of wood up. It's about minus 23 outside, so I'm just unloading, and I have some trail dragging to do. But we're supposed to have cold weather for about 4 days, We're going to get down into the minus 30, 32, 34 Celsius, so I'm just going to stock a little wood up and get prepared before it does get too cold. And this is my wood box, so just pack it up. A few more, fill it right up to the shelf and we'll be done. So if you're just new to my channel, this is the way little Griff does it. Yeah, now there's a big stove. Big stove. That's 24 by 24 by 28 long. So we just keep these blocks here like they're big blocks. They're 9, 10, 11 inches, 12 inches. Pretty big bed of coals in there. What? Yeah, I just bring a sleigh load. You can't see outside, it's dark. I bring a sleigh load of wood or two up, and a couple small loads will fill that wood box right up, and then I'm good for about 4 days or so. And so yeah, just hope you guys enjoy the videos, and we just put her along the way here. It's the way I do it. It's just a little of my life.